Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you are trying to use FaceApp and instead of your edited photo you get a technical looking error like API request error, error 6, operation couldn't be completed. So this error is more common on iOS devices and it has a very specific history. Back in 2019, when FaceApp went viral, this error popped up from many users in India due to server overload. So behind the scenes, error 6 is a communication breakdown between the app and the servers. So your request reached them, but something went wrong during processing. According to basically a contemporary report, FaceApp service explained they were performing maintenance on these servers as quickly and effectively as possible. So due to traffic beyond capacity, the fix is usually about finding a less congested route to their servers or waiting it out. So basically fast and easy. As usual, let's get it fixed. First and first, you can go and try to start the app. And also your phone if needed. So start simple, close FaceApp completely, then reopen it. If that doesn't work, you start your phone. This would clear temporary glitches that might be interfering with your connection. Then try a VPN. This is a key. This error historically occurred when FaceApp servers were overloaded in specific regions, including India. According to news reports from the time, users were able to bypass the error by connecting through a VPN and choosing a different country like the US for example. And also as a last resort, you can easily reinstall the app if needed. So that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.